Cow foot nkwobi is a Nigerian food mostly eaten in restaurants, Nigerian restaurants. But in this video, I'll be using cow skin instead of cow foot for my nkwobi. I'll be dropping the detailed recipe in my description box. But before then, this is the main ingredients: well cooked and spiced with pepper, onion, seasoning cube and salt. This is ngo. Ngo will help to form the paste. I have my Ugba here, my onion bulb with African nutmeg, ehuru, and uziza seed, fresh pepper, and crayfish. Also with me here is my red oil or palm oil. So this is an overview of what our ingredients look like. Yeah, just simple ingredients. Our otazi is on its way. Ooh, that one is for garnishing. We use it for garnishing. So let's get straight into the matter. Okay, with a clean bowl, you pour in your red oil, just a little quantity. Yes, that quantity is okay. Now I will add my ngo. This ngo is not potash. It is gotten from burnt palm fruit bunch. The bunch of palm fruits, yes, you burn it and sieve it. It gives it this paste-like look that makes your nkwobi yummy. Yeah. So if you know the English name for this ngo, please drop it in the comment section. I want to know. Now I'll add my ingredients like crayfish, add my fresh pepper to taste, but I love it peppery. Add uziza and my African nutmeg. Yeah. And stir properly. Stir, let them combine. Let them get acquainted with each other. Let them know themselves well. Stir it very well. Then you add your salt to taste. After adding the salt, you stir it so that the salt will not go one side and pack. It will be distributed evenly. Then the next step, you add your Ugba. Add your Ugba to the mixture and stir. Wow, can you perceive that Ugba? Ugba has one aroma you cannot resist. If you are a Nigerian, you should know what Ugba is. I don't know the English name. This is typical Nigerian food. Now my Kpomo cow skin has entered inside this mixture. I be into this mixture. Yeah, you turn it, stir it properly, stir it. Now I'll add my half cube of Maggi seasoning cube. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. I'm adding half because I've already added one while I was cooking the cow skin. I'll add fresh pepper. We love pepper in my house, but if you cannot tolerate pepper, this is dried pepper, you can just add as much as you can tolerate. But trust me, you will love it peppery. Yeah. You mix everything together so that Maggi will not stay one side and pepper will stay one side. No. Combine it. This is nkwobi agworo. Agworo means turning. Wow, our nkwobi is ready. Yeah. You just garnish it now with some onion. As at when this video is made, this is November 2020. Onion is like gold. Very scarce in Nigeria, so don't mind the tiny onion you're seeing there. That one alone, if I tell you the amount it is. This is my otaze. It's a kind of bitter taste leaf. Yes, it has this bitter taste. The leaf is bitter. It is best used for nkwobi. Yeah. Please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe.